Hello, yes, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to talk about schematic abbreviations, their full form, and their meaning. Now, schematic diagrams have got a lot of information, and in order to prevent congestion in the schematics, most of the information is displayed in codes, symbols, and abbreviations. Which that means that for you to fully and effectively understand schematics, you must understand the meaning of these abbreviations. Take an example here. You can see that this one is called ALBKTLTENEC. Another one here is PBATPREC. So this one is PBAT press. So this one means that power battery present. So this is the signal that informs the EC that the battery is installed or is present. So if you take a look at like this one's called backlight enable EC. So this means that when the EC is turning on the backlight, the signal that turns on the backlight comes out on this pin, on pin 91. If you take a look on other signals, you can see this one is called all on. So this one means always on. So always is the type of voltage that is on before you press the power button. You can see that some of the signals have got this kind of like hashtags like this one. So all these abbreviations have a lot of meaning. So what I decided to do, because we can't take a look at each and every abbreviations, basically that will take us a lot of time, but I've decided to create a document, a PDF document, which has got many signals and their abbreviations from basically all schematics diagrams from Apple motherboards. You see, Apple motherboards that use Intel processors still share the same signal or signal abbreviations, and I've made them in one document. This document is a PDF. It has 120 abbreviations and it's 8 pages. You can go through them and read them, or you can actually come here and search any signal that you have encountered in the schematics and you don't know what it means. Another thing is the signals are organized in alphabetical orders. So you see they start from A, B, C, D. So you can actually look for those signals using alphabetical orders. So let's say you see something like this, which is BAT. So you can copy this signal here. You come to your schematics, you paste it here, and it will take you to the meaning. So BAT means battery, right? Battery connector or power. If you see BAT low, which means battery low, signal indicating when the battery is low. It is active when the voltage is 0. So you can see here is RTC, DET. So let's copy this one, which is DET, and see. So DET means detected, right? So if you come back here and say RTC detected, so this one means what is RTC? Let's look for RTC. So copy RTC, come in the schematics, come in this document, paste it here. So RTC stands for real-time clock, meaning is 3.3 volts for the chipset, usually from BIOS, battery, or always power. So this means that this is BIOS battery detected. So this signal goes out to inform a certain chip when the BIOS battery has been detected. So you can take a look at like this chip. This one is called VFB. Copy it here, come in the schematics, paste it, and here it shows. So this one is called voltage feedback. Part of the output voltage that goes back to the chip to let the chip know if the voltage is out and how much voltage. So this means that this one is a feedback line, and you can see it also comes from the output and goes back to the chip. Let's say if you take a look at this one, which is pin 13, you can copy it here, come back in this document, paste it here, and here it shows 5 volts regulator, which means 5 voltage regulator output. So it means this one is where 5 volts come out, right? So I'm going to put the link in the descriptions. You can download this document and you can have it around, or you can just go through it. Basically, it's easier if you read through the document and understand the meaning of different signals. By the time you're looking through the schematics, unless you have forgotten the meaning, then you can come back and refer to it. But the best way is to read through it and probably have it around for reference when you're fixing. And I'm going to also keep on upgrading it, putting more information, putting more abbreviations, and more other useful materials.